Hello and welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to increase your Fiverr gig impression and clicks and how to get orders. So if due to some reason you lost your Fiverr gig impression and clicks and you are not getting orders, or you are a new seller and you want to promote your gig and get orders, then this video is for you. And as in the last video we see that how we can promote our gig inside the Fiverr. So if you haven't watched that video, then you can watch that video and you can get a free 10 USD for promoting your gig. So in that video we promoted one of our gigs and we spent $9 on that. And in this particular video we're gonna run a Facebook campaign. So basically we will run a Facebook ad and we will get Fiverr impression and clicks. And the reason for doing this is because Facebook is a very huge market and here you can find almost any type of clients. So if you are looking for a company, you will find that. If you are looking for a large business or a small business, then they will definitely on Facebook and they will click on your ad. And by the way, this is a paid campaign, so you will have to spend some money on this, but obviously this will have result. And for running a campaign you will have to add a payment, so just log into your ad manager account on Facebook and then go to payments. And here as you can see I already have 500 Indian rupees. You can also change the currency if you want, and this is the add credit from Facebook. So if you want to add funds here, then you can simply click on add funds. And here you can choose the amount you want to add. For example, I want to add 500, then this will be my total balance. And here you will have to select your payment method. So if you haven't added your payment method, then you can select your debit card or credit card, and then you can simply click on add payments. Then you will have to click on confirm. So as you can see I have added 500 and now my total balance is 1000. So this is how you can add funds to your Facebook ad campaign. Now let's see how we can run a Facebook campaign. Now if you are not familiar with Facebook ads, then you can simply search for FB Ad Manager, and on the first result you can go to this page. Then you can simply click on go to Ad Manager and this will take you to your Ad Manager account. Here you can run campaigns, you can track your campaigns and so on. And now to run a campaign you must have a Facebook page, so I already have connected it over here. You can simply connect your Facebook page here, and then to run a campaign you can simply click on create button. And here you will have to choose any of these options. Now for our Fiverr gig we need traffic, so we will select this. You can also try any of these. This is not necessary that you select traffic, and you can also get the detail about a specific topic right here on the I button. So as you can see, send people to a website, app, Facebook events, and let them to call you. So we need this to send people to our Fiverr gig, and we can increase our gig impression and clicks, and then how we can get orders. So let's select traffic and we'll continue. And here you can give this campaign a name. So let's write Fiverr 1. You can write any name. Don't select a category, campaign details, A/B testing, and campaign budget. You can leave these as default and click on next. And this is the ad name. So let's write the name like this. And for the traffic we will choose website because we will put our gig link. Scroll down and here is the daily budget for our campaign. So this is very important, and you have to select your budget according to the country you are targeting. For example, you are targeting countries like US, UK, Germany and so on, then you will have to spend a lot and you will have to select $15 to $20. Or if you are targeting the country like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, then you can decrease your budget and you will have to spend up to $5 and $7 and so on. So make sure that you select appropriate money here as regarding your country selection. So for this example I'll use 300 Indian rupees, and here you can schedule your ad campaign. So here is a little trick. I'll suggest you to choose a next date and then choose 12 AM, which is 0000. And the reason I'm doing this because this ad will run the whole day instead of running this on the time we are doing this video. So this is a little trick. I hope you get my point here. And for the date I'll suggest you to run this campaign minimum up to 3 days, because less than that you will not get the results. So I have set 15 and I'll set 19 here, and I'll choose 12 p.m. here. Now let's scroll down, and here you can select your location. For example, you are running this ad inside Pakistan, inside any other country, or so on. You can select that. For example, I can edit this and I can add another country like India. I'll also select US. Or I can simply run this ad inside the US only. So I'll remove these. And here you can decide the age of the targeted user. So I'll suggest you to write 18 to 65 or 64. And the reason we are doing this because people of 18 age have businesses in US and they can order us and they can click on our gig and so on. Here you can target a specific gender. I'll suggest to choose all genders. This is the detailed targeting. So if you edit this, and the detailed targeting is the important part of this video because people are normally doing mistakes here. For example, you are delivering website, then what people do is they search for website developer like this, or they search for PHP website developer, web developer, and so on. And this is not the correct way because you are targeting people like you are targeting freelancers, and we should not do this. And instead of this, we will have to target companies, businesses, and so on. So I hope you get my point here. And as I'm doing websites for people, then I'll search for company. Okay. And I'll search for business or business owner. We can also search for restaurant owner. And I'm doing this because these people may need a website for their restaurant, for their business, for their company. They will click my ad and will order. So that is how you can target specific people. Now I'll pause the video and I'll do some of them. So as you can see, I added these as my targeted audience, and here you will see an exclude button. So here we will exclude the audience that we don't want. So if I click on exclude, then I can search for freelancer. So here as you can see, freelancers are freelancer, and here on the right side you can see that the job title will be freelancer like this one. So we're going to exclude these. I'll also exclude website developer or web developer, and these people will not see our ad. WordPress, and here you can exclude the specific audience that you not think will order you. For example, you have a design gig, then you can exclude designer, Photoshop experts, and designs, and so on. So this is how you can include and exclude audience. And now we will scroll down. We can save this audience for future use as well. And here for the placement, we will use manual placement. And here we can run the ad on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and so on. But I'll suggest to run this only on Facebook. And here the ad placement. So here you want your ad to appear, I'll suggest to choose only newsfeed because this is our first ad and most of the people only see feeds. So I'll remove these ticks. You can enable the Facebook and video stream as well. And you can leave this search one because if someone search for a website developer or web developer, then they will see your ad. And now we have selected, let's remove this as well. Now we have selected only feed and result, and here you can choose option according to your gig need. So let's scroll down and make sure you select link clicks here, and then you can simply click on next. Again, this is the name, so I'll write Fiverr 1 ad, and this is my page which is already linked. And here I'll select create ad. If you have an existing ad or post, you can select it. And here you will have to add a media like a video and image. So let's click this. I'll upload an image. And I already have an image over here. If you want to upload a new one, you can click on this. I'll choose this image. I'll click next. And let's keep original. You can design your Facebook post like this. Then done. And here is the friendly text, headline and description. So these can be found in the ad preview here. As you can see, headline, description. So you can write your headline and description. For example, something like this. And you can also set a friendly text. Here you can also use tags and so on. So let's write something like, and here you can write something like this, like you are giving an offer, discount, or you are installing a premium theme, for example. So make sure you give some offer inside the friendly text to get more clicks. This is the headline and this is the description. And we will choose destination, a website and a website URL. And for the website URL, we will put our gig link. So let's copy our gig link. And I want to promote this gig, so I'll click this and we'll click share and we'll copy its link and we'll go back and we'll paste it here. Now you will notice this will change. As you can see, this get my gig description over here. You can also set a display link, but we don't need it. You can set a call to action button, which is this, learn more. So I'll suggest you to choose get offer or get quote like this. And this is how it will look. You can leave this as default and then you can click on publish. So these were the steps for creating the Facebook ad campaign. Make sure you not skip any of the steps and then simply click on publish. This will start publishing. Multiple items publish, one campaign, which is this name. You can see this is our ad. And here, as you can see, our ad is in the processing. And once Facebook processes this, then this will start appearing to its targeted audience. And this is how you can run an ad campaign for your gig. And you can get impression and clicks, and then you can get orders. So I hope the video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.